Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. Today I will start this pattern, and this is a reverse rectangle triangle pattern and also alphabet wise pattern, and it is a column wise pattern because in each column alphabets are constantly repeated. So we understand with the help of nested for loop, and we build the logic to this pattern. Firstly, we declare two variables that are used for nested for loop. Firstly, we declare integer type variable I and j, and after declaration of integer type variable I and j, we create outer for loop, and in this outer for loop we take three parameter. Firstly, we initialize the variable. Second we check the condition, and third we increment to decrement the value of a variable. So firstly, for an outer variable, we initialize I equals to 4 and check condition if I greater than equals to 0 and I decrement to 1. And inside this outer for loop we create inner for loop, and in this inner for loop we also take three parameter. Firstly, we initialize j equals to 4 and check condition if j less than equals to I and j increment to 1. And inside this inner for loop we print the inner loop variable, that is j plus 65, because the sky value of capital A is 65, and this is a column wise pattern. So when we have a column wise pattern, we always print the inner loop variable, that is j, and in this and in this pattern we print j plus 65, and outside this inner loop we used backslash n for new line. So when you run the program, the above output is shown as below. So I hope you understand. Like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thank you for watching. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime in the comment section. Have a great day. Keep grow day by day. Thank you.
I know one